My name is Bright Etekwa. I'm a co-founder of KIC Technologies, which was founded in 2018 through the Cosmos Innovation Center. We were fortunate to be the winners for the 2019 cohort. At KIC Technologies, we provide farmers with pest-based caring services and also agrochemical applications. So with KIC, even though after the training, they didn't leave us, they kept us in touch, provided technical trainings and services for us throughout since 2019 up to date. Initially, farmers used children to scare pest-based on their field. Instead of the children should be at school, their parents asked them to come and scare the pest-based on the field, which lasts about 8 to 10 hours a day. But since KIC came into existence, we've been able to take up those responsibilities, and now the children get time to go to school and focus on education.